Hello, my name is Alina Alex. So, could you please give me a hi? Okay, so I got a lot of hi. So, first of all, let me invite each and everyone to our NAR online demo session. So, could you please give me a clap also? Okay, okay, there are lots of highs and claps. So, what to say? Due to this corona and lockdown, we are stuck in our house, right? Yeah, we cannot go to school and cannot meet our teachers, parents. Sorry, we can meet our parents, but cannot go to meet our teachers, students, friends, right? Are you bored? Are you bored at home? Ah, okay. Some of you are enjoying it, right? Due to certain activities. Okay, but still, how are we supposed to stay this long in our house? So don't worry, NAR Online is here to take away all your boredoms and fill your days with lots of fun and lessons. Okay, so are you excited? Yes, you are right. Okay, so once again, let me invite each and everyone to our NAR Online demo session. Okay, are you happy? So if you are happy, can you please give me a smile? Okay, I'm expecting lots of smile. Okay, okay then. Yeah, your smile give me a positive vibes. So before going to our demo class session, I need to tell you some things. Okay, are you ready to listen? So I want to tell you that you guys are now muted. Okay, you know that you guys are now muted. So it's in our regular class also it will be like this. You know why, right? Yeah, why? Oh yeah, so you can listen to me clearly. Okay, that's why I muted all your audios. But it's in the case of audio, you have to turn on all your videos. Okay, you have to turn on the videos. Do you know why? We need a classroom effect. Okay, how are we supposed to sit in the classroom? Yeah, we can meet our teachers, we can see our teachers, and teachers are can also see your faces, right? So you have to turn on your video. Okay, okay, please turn on your video so that I can see you all your beautiful faces. So this is a class. Okay, this is a demo session for NR online class for standard 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a NR online demo session class for these standards. So do you know what is our specialty? What is the specialty of NR online classes? Do you know what it is? Yeah, we have live classes. Right, I am talking you in live, right? Like that, our teachers are also going to interact you and teach you in live classes. Okay, we got very well trained and professional teachers, so they are very eager to meet you guys. So they are very eager to meet you and teach you. So are you excited to meet them also? Yeah, you are also excited, right? Okay, there is another specialty to our classes. Do you know what it is? Okay, let me tell you that. Along with our studies, okay, the studies, the NR Online will provide you with a fun package full of activities, games, and entertainments. Okay, NR Online will provide you with a fun package. Are you happy? Yeah, you're happy, right? I can see your smile in the faces. Yeah, you're happy. Okay, that's good to see. Okay, then I have to tell you one more thing. Every information regarding our classes, okay, every information like meeting ID, password, class timetable, okay, this information will be given to you via telegrams. Okay, you know Telegram app, right? So we will create a group in Telegram and will provide you all information in the group. So don't worry about all those information. You'll be updated about all that. Okay, yeah, but I think you understand it, right? But still you got some confusion about these classes. What is NR online? What am I saying here? How is it supposed to do these things in online? Okay, you're confused, right? Okay, don't worry. I'm going to give you a short explanation, a brief explanation about our classes. Okay, so our academic year also started, right? Already started, so our classes are going on. So NAR Online is here to support you with these classes, okay, with these studies, okay, with your studies. NAR Online is going to support you with these studies. Okay, yeah. How do you know how? In our classes, you will get lots and lots of tips, tricks, methods to learn in a simple method. Okay, we are going to study in a simple way with these tips, tricks, and all things. Okay, you're excited, right? Still you have some curiosity about that, right? Okay, and also in the future you have to face so many competitive exams. I know the students, the friends in front of me have so many ambitions to achieve, right? So in order to achieve those ambitions you have to attend certain competitive exams. So NAR Online will also provide certain facilities to your future also. Okay, do you know what all subjects are do you have? Yeah, you got mathematics, English, general knowledge, and mental ability. Okay, these four subjects are very essential for all students. Okay, especially for those who have to attend those competitive exams. Okay, yeah, our teachers are going to teach you with pictures and stories and all things. Yeah, okay, happy now? I know whatever I tell you got some certain curiosities and you are still confused, right? Don't worry, along with this NAR demo session, we will also provide you with a demo class session. Okay, our teacher is waiting for you to give a demo class session and waiting to meet you. Okay, so before we invite our teachers, I need to tell you one more thing. Each and every friends who attend this demo session will be provided a certificate. Okay, we'll get a NAR online demo participation certificate. Okay, so let's go to our wonderful session. Are you ready? Okay, our teacher is waiting, our Saudi teacher is waiting to meet you guys. So if you're ready, please give me a thumbs up. Okay. Yes, we are ready, right? Okay, so let's invite our dear Saudi teacher for a wonderful session.
Hello children, good evening. Welcome to NAR online demo class. Myself Sauda. How are you all? How are you all? You're doing good? Yes? Fine, okay. How about your classes? Okay, Shima, Meenu. Yes? How about your classes? Your classes might have started, right? This academic year might have started. Okay, so how are the classes going? Yes, Manju. Yes, hope it is going well. So, see, I'm here for a demo class. Okay, so are you ready for a demo? Are you all ready for a demo class? Yes? Shall we move? Okay? Yes, and what you have to do is just give me a thumbs so that we'll move to the demo class. Just give me a thumbs. Okay? Yes. So let's start. Now, before starting, I have a question. Okay, I have got a question. And my question is, do you know what is grammar? Do you know what is grammar, or do you know why do we learn grammar, or what is the use of grammar? Does anybody know? Can anybody just tell me what you know? What is a grammar? Can you tell me? Is there anybody? Yes? Yes or no? Why do we learn grammar? We learn grammar in schools, right? Why do we learn grammar? Is there anybody who knows what is a grammar? What is grammar and why do we learn? What is the use of grammar? Okay, now I shall tell. Grammar is set of rules in a particular language. Okay, so it is English that you are going to learn. So grammar is a set of rules in English language, and it is like we cannot use all these words as we wish. Okay, there are certain rules to be followed when you use a language. Okay, this grammar teaches us how to use these words, and it is the set of rules that tells us how to use a language. Okay, and what is the use of grammar? Can you tell me what is the use of grammar? Why do we learn grammar? Yes? Can anybody tell me? Yes, we learn grammar for proper communication. Okay, we want to write without any mistakes. Okay, if we want to speak fluently, grammar helps us. Okay, so grammar helps in both ways, for writing without any mistakes and for speaking fluently. So are you ready for the demo class now? Now shall we move? Okay. Now I've got two things with me. Okay, and the first one is, can you tell me what is this? Please tell me what is this? What is this actually? Can you please tell me? Yes, Meenu? Yes? Okay, so you all know this is apple, right? Yes, this is apple. It is a fruit. It is a red color fruit and it is a very tasty fruit, a healthy fruit, right? Okay, so I have one more thing with me and that is a box. Okay, it's just a box. You can open it. Now, what am I going to do is, so you have to listen carefully. Come forward. Just listen. Now, here I kept the apple here. Now can you tell me where is the apple? Can you please tell me? Look here. Please all of you listen here and tell me where is the apple. Yes, Manju, very good. Apple is, yes, tell me. Apple is on the box, right? Apple is on the box. Now I kept the apple on top of this box, right? So we'll tell apple is on the box. Yes, very good, Minu. Apple is on the box. Now next, what am I going to do is I'll open this box. Yes. Now I'll keep this apple here inside. Okay, now I'll ask you a question. Where is the apple now? Tell me, where have I kept the apple? Yes, Manju, very good. Yes, tell me. Yes, Bindu, Meenu, yes, superb. Yes, the apple is in the box. I kept it inside, right? So we'll say apple is in the box. The position of apple is inside, in the box. Okay, fine. Now, I close the box. Okay. Now I'm going to keep the apple here. Now look here. Now tell me where is the apple? Now tell me where is the apple? Yes, very good, Manju. Yes, where is the apple? I can see, right? Yes, Meenu, very good. Yes, now I kept it here, right? So we'll say the position of apple is under the box. Apple is under the box. Okay, now is that clear for you? Yes, I'm going to keep my apple aside, keep the box also aside. Okay, now I want to ask you one thing. I just showed you apple. I took a box and I was talking about something. I kept it on the box, inside the box, in the box, and even under the box, right? So this was regarding our topic. Okay, so can anybody guess what will be today's topic? And what are we going to learn? Just a guess, a wild guess. Yes, Manju, very good. So quick. Yes, superb. Yes, our today's topic is prepositions. Okay, today's topic is prepositions. So, have you got your book and pen along with you? You have? Yes? Okay, so please open your book. You can put today's date and start writing the heading preposition. Preposition. Okay. Yes, kindly write down the heading. Yes, and now we are moving to the topic. Our topic is prepositions. We are going to learn about prepositions. So can you tell me what is preposition? Does anybody know what is a definition for prepositions? Can anybody tell me just a small definition? What do you know about preposition? Anybody there? Yes? Okay, so shall I give you the definition for preposition? Yes, children? Okay, so please take your notebook. Okay, connecting words. Okay, you can say so. So here on your screen, so this is the definition for prepositions. Hope you can see. Okay, a preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Okay, so what is preposition? Prepositions, just like you told, they are connecting words. Okay, this shows the relation. See, in sentences, you can see lots of words. It can be a noun, a pronoun, or some other words, whatever it is. Okay, so there are some relations. There will be some relation between these words. Okay, so prepositions are words that shows a relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. Okay, so please note down the definition for preposition. Okay. Yes, did you all write down? Did you all note it down? Okay. So now let's see few examples for preposition words that we are going to learn today, and those words are in, on and under. So as I said, apple is on the box, apple is in the box, and apple is under the box. So the three preposition words that we are going to learn today is in, on and under. Okay, so let's see a few examples for preposition words, and that is this. Okay, so here it is. The teddy is in the cupboard. So you can see the teddy is in the cupboard. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the cupboard. So that is example for in. The book is on the table. Okay, where is the book? The book is on the table. The rabbit is under the tree. So this is the answer for the question where. Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is under the tree. Okay, so you can write down these three examples. The teddy is in the cupboard, the book is on the table, and rabbit is under the tree. And kindly students, please note down one more thing. Prepositions are words. Okay, they are answers for the question where. W-H-E-R-E. Okay, prepositions are words that tells us where a person, place, animal or thing is. They shows us. Okay, preposition words shows us where these nouns are. What are nouns? Okay, nouns are naming words, right? Names of person, place, thing and animal. Okay, so preposition shows us where these nouns are. The position of these nouns. Okay, so now, are you ready to play a game? Are you ready for a game? Yes? Yes, children? Yes. So, yes, wait a second. So you want to play a game? Yes. So, yes. So the game is like, I'm going to test your memory power. Okay, and the game is like I'm going to test your memory power, and I'll be showing you a picture. Okay, and you have to just give a keen look into that picture and just store it here. Okay, and after a few seconds, I'll change the slide and I'll be asking the questions. Okay, so here I'm going to share the picture for you, and I'll be having few questions afterwards. So here it is. I'm going to share the screen for you. Yes. So let's see. Yes. So this is a picture. And here you can see lots of things. You can see it is a classroom setup, right? You can see a board. There is a box with a pencil. And you can see a table. And on both sides of the table, you can see two chairs. On one chair, you can see a bat. On one chair, you can see a teddy bear. And there is a football lying down. And there is a teacher's table. You can see a hat on top of that. And there is a watch below the table. And you can see a cupboard with lots of books, right? And there is a watch. There is a clock on top of the cupboard, and you can see a duck. So hope the picture is clear for you. Yes? Okay. Now, shall we start the game? Shall we start the game? Yes? Okay. So the game is like, I'm going to ask the question, and my first question is, where is the teddy? There was a teddy bear over there. Please tell me, where is the teddy? Using the preposition words that we learned now. Where was the teddy? Yes, quickly. Who's going to give me the answer first? Yes, Manju, very good. The teddy was on the chair. Right. It was sitting on the chair. Yes, yes, Meenu, very good. Now, my second question is, where was the pencil? You saw a pencil over there. Where was the pencil? Yes, tell me. Let me see who's going to answer me first. Where was the pencil? Yes, Manju, super. The pencil was in the box, right? It was kept inside the box. So we'll say the pencil is in the box. Yes, Meenu, very good. Now my third question, where was the hat? You could find a hat over there. Where was the hat? Yes, quick. Let me get the answer now. Who's going to give me the answer first? Yes, Manju, very good. It was, yes, Meenu, the hat was on the table. It was kept on the teacher's table, right? So we'll say hat was on the table. Okay, now final last question. Where was the duck? You found a duck there, right? There was a yellow duck. Where was the duck? Yes. Who's going to tell me first? Yes, Manju, very good. Very smart. Yes? Yes, the duck was on the cupboard or the duck was on the shelf, right? Yes, so I agree to you, and it was, yes, Meenu, very good. It was on the cupboard, and the answers which you gave me was right only. You gave me the correct answers, and yes, heads off to you. I've got a very good memory power. Okay, well done. Keep it up. Okay, now are you ready for an exercise part? Let's do an exercise regarding our topic in, on, and under. Are you ready? So please take your book and pen. Okay, so let's do. Yes, yes, children. So I'll be sharing the exercise now. Okay, so this is our questions. Okay, and here what you have to do is put tick mark on the circle beside the sentence with the correct prepositions. Here you can see few pictures on the left side. You have got 5 pictures over there, and you can see each picture has got 3 sentences along with them. Okay, three sentences each with every picture. Okay, and the thing is, like, there is only one correct answer for that. So you have to look at the picture and tell me which is the correct sentence with the correct preposition on that. Okay, so the first question goes like this. You can see a bottle. There is jam. Tell me, jam is, just need to tell me whether it is in, on, or under. Okay, that is it. You tell me jam is in the bottle or on the bottle or under the bottle, which is the correct answer. Yes, children? Yes, the jam is in the bottle. Yes, the jam is inside the bottle. So we'll say jam is in the bottle. Okay, now look at the second picture. What you can see over there, there is a pillow. Okay, and on top of that, there is a pen. Now tell me, pen is under a pillow, on a pillow, or in a pillow. Where can you find the pen? Yes, very good. The pen is on a pillow, just lying over the pillow, right? I mean, on top of the pillow. So we'll say pen is on a pillow. Yes. Now moving to the third picture, what can you see there? You can see a television. Now tell me, a TV is in the wall, on the wall, or under the wall? Yes, children? Yes, TV is on the wall. It is on the wall. It is not in the wall. It is not inside the wall, right? It is not under the wall. The correct answer is TV is on the wall. Now, fourth one. You can see a man. He's sitting somewhere. He's sitting. Yes, the man is on the rug. He's not in the rug. He's not under the rug. Yes, the man is on the rug. He's sitting on the rug. What is a rug? That is something? Yes, a thick carpet, right? Okay. Now the final picture, what you can see over there is an oven. Okay. Do you like cakes? Do you love cakes? Okay. So here we have some cake. A cake kept there in the oven. Okay. You have to tell me the answer. Where is the cake? Where is the cake? Can you tell me where is the cake kept? Yes, very good. The cake is not on the oven. And it is not under the oven? Yes, it is in the oven. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay. Yes. So, yes, very good. You gave me the correct answer. So let me ask you, is this topic clear for you? In, on, and under? You all gave me the correct answers. So, let me clarify, is the topic clear with you? Did you understand? You got any doubts? You can clear it on the spot. Where do we use in, on, and under? Is there any doubt with you? Yes? Is it clear? Okay? Yes. So, no doubts. Okay, fine. Now, this is just a demo class. Okay? And we'll say the preposition words are not just these three words. It's like not just in, on, and under. There are more words that we have to learn. There are more words to learn. Okay, it's not just these three words. Okay, and these other words we'll be learning in a regular class. So are you ready to join me in my regular class? Are you there? If you are ready to join me, just put a thumb. Let me see who all are there to join me. Okay. Yes. Yes, Meenu. Good. Did you like the class first of all? Was the class interesting? Did you understood? Yes, Maya? Yes? Okay. So hope the class is clear for you. And let's meet in the regular class. So it's time for me to wind up the class. So children, bye-bye, take care, and thank you so much. See you in the regular class. Bye.